Oh, Alpha, I'll never be able to write a tune with all this noise.
Hi, you two. What's happening?
Hi, Aoife. Nothing. I'm trying to write a tune, but I can't concentrate with all this noise.
Why don't you take a little break? I think you just need a little inspiration.
What do you mean?
Inspiration. A feeling of enthusiasm you get from someone or something which gives you new and creative ideas.
An idea for a tune? That's exactly what I need. But how will I ever find inspiration when all I can hear is noise?
Well, inspiration is a little bit like magic. You never know when it's going to turn up. Sometimes you find it in places you never expect.
Well, hey, I have magic, and I'm very good at finding things.
Cool, let's go. Anything is better than listening to that racket.
Well, let's start in the woods. I always find peace and quiet there, somewhere for us to think.
Can you give me a call if I get the job, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Absolutely. We'll call you. Don't call us.
Thanks.
Hi, wild guy.
Oh, hi. I was just chopping some wood.
What did he say?
I have no idea. What an annoying sound. Well, this is no use. Let's go.
Cool. It sounds like a beat.
Come on, let's go.
Boing! Ooh, boing!
Hi, Clara. Oh. We'll never find inspiration here. My poor ears. Come on, Dr. Tunes. Let's check out the playground. Maybe it's a bit more quieter over there.
Boing, squeak, woof. Boing, squeak, woof. Boing, squeak, woof. It's noisy, but I think I'm hearing something.